Greetings and salutations. You are watching Paracord Stuff. This is Wolfster001. Well, we're going to do pretty much a basic bracelet. We're doing a Cobra 2-color. You will notice that I do mine different than many you may have seen. I use Velcro. Well, for doing this, a pair of scissors is required, or something to cut it with. A lighter of some sort. I use a torch, and it does better for me. Now, instead of using a buckle, which I do use buckles, I'm using Velcro, and there'll be a Velcro on this one. Later I will put a video on showing how I do my process, and I hope you watch. Okay, the core for this is 13 inches or 33.2 centimeters, and this is going to make the core. I do the cores completely different than other people do, so if you're watching and you're like very confused, you'll see. Just watch and you'll understand. Okay, now this will be a 5-inch reveal, as I call it. Now, depending on how you want this, I do mine. Put it down for the wrist and go through it. And then you have the half hitch, which is most people knows. Now I take that. I'll go the other end. And now from here, we will do the rest. On the strands of paracord, now you will need, I'm doing this blue and white, you will need 36 inches of blue, or 91.44 centimeters, same for the white. Now I'm joining them together. And here we go. Now, here's where another place where mine differs. This is going to be the primary. Okay, down, out from the back. Yeah, it happens. And then from the other side, go from the back and through. Now, and my setup is completely unique to my style. And in other videos I'll show more of how I do mine, why I do them, and if you want to do it, how you can do yours like this too. And my jig is completely adaptable. I can do the Velcro as I'm using. I can do buckles of any type sort. I can do clips. I can do just about anything with it. And we got here. Now we'll go to the back. Excuse me. Now, if you see a little burn plate in there, it doesn't really matter how you attach them on one thing because the core part never shows. Okay. Now, goes over the top of the white, going over, under, and through the loop, right through here. And pull it through. And since our main color is going to be blue, blue always goes over the top. And same thing, goes over, take the white, going over the blue, under the whole thing, and up through the hole, the slide in between. And then cinch it tight and pull. And then we'll do it again. Blue over, white over the blue, under everything, and through the little opening in between. And then cinch it up tightly, or as tight as you want to do it. And then again, blue over, white over the blue, under everything, and up and through. And pull it and cinch it tight, right up. And again. And then once you got that, it's just pretty easy breezy. And we'll just continue, and I'll speed up and get it done till we get to the end. Now, as further videos goes, I will show you more and more of techniques and the way I do things, which there's nothing wrong with the way other people do it. I just find my way, for me, is much easier. It's faster and it's more adaptive. This bracelet right here, when finished, will fit anybody from a wrist size of about 6.5 inches upwards to almost 10 inches. And if you use a buckle, it's only for one person, but using the Velcro, it's fully adjustable, which is the reason that I do it. And as far as I know, there's no other makers out there that uses Velcro. As far as I know, I'm the only one. But that's okay. I've watched many videos from a lot of different people and seen just dozens of styles and dozens of ways. And for me, this is the simplest way and the simplest method to do it. And this one, if you're a novice, the Cobra is the simplest one to do. You can pretty much do it in your sleep. And those that already know how, you see that my method is slightly different. I'll do it in the Cobra, no, but on how I make the bracelet is slightly different than the majority of people. But you'll see at the end. There now, how I end mine. You see there's, you know, spaces in between. This is the reason I do this one like this. Yeah, and I noticed my glue popped up. I just didn't heat it long enough. And there you go. Okay, and like I said, gonna do it there for a larger wrist. We're going in there for smaller. And there you go. Thank you very much. This is Paracord stuff, and I am Wolfster001. Thank you for watching. I hope I earned your subscription. And please click the like and share. Thank you very much, and join us again next time.